Okay, today we're going to be taking a look at this folding fan. This is model ZK2028. Don't know if that means anything, but that's what it is. Seen a few of these on the market. They're various prices, but they're all pretty much the same. Now, I've been after one of these. I thought it'd be a good idea to use one in the bathroom. I mean, come the hot weather, you get out the shower and you're sweating as soon as you get out because you're that hot. This will be ideal. So let's take a look at this. This is adjustable wind speed, 3 gears. Obviously got 3 speed. It's got two 18650 batteries, 3600 milliamp. Debatable. You know how they, you know what they're like for exaggerating, but we'll come to that because something pretty good about that. USB charging, 3-blade design, big wind quieter. Wow. This is the black one. It comes in pink, black and white. This is the black one. So let's get it out of the box and take a look at it. Right, what have we got? Okay, so we've got a small charging cable, usual USB, micro USB, and we have the fan. So yeah, it's, you know, it's a fan, but it's not too heavy, and I like the way it's compact. I mean, that's it, isn't it? It doesn't take up much space when it's folded up. But if we unfold it, which says open here, so I'm assuming that's where it opens up, we can open it up like that, and there we have. So it folds away and opens up pretty good, really. On the front here we've got just one button, and it's got 3 settings, well 4 if you count the off. So if we press it once, it sort of pulsates like a breeze, and it's not that loud. It says quiet, but fans make a noise. That's what they do. I don't know if you can hear that from here, but yeah, if we press it again, it goes into low mode, and you know, that's adequate. That's adequate. We press it again, it's medium, and again full speed. Again, fan noise, that's what it is. But I mean, how far is that blow? I'll stand back and I'll see where I can feel it. Yeah, well, I was a good 10 foot away there and still feel that breeze. And another press turns it off. But the good thing about this is not only is it foldable, but yes, it's extendable. And I'm gonna have to I'm gonna have to pick up the camera here so you can see this. But you know, that gives a good idea. If I put it on the floor and move back, you can see, I mean, yeah, what is it? It's a good, I don't know, good meter tall. And again, we can press the buttons here to start it going. I mean, that's going to be great when I get out of the shower. That is going to be absolutely fantastic. Also, in bed, middle of the night, summer's night, awful, isn't it? Absolutely awful. That can stand by the side of the bed and it's going to keep me cool, that is. I should probably have it on the low setting, and that's no louder than what you'd expect from a fan. It really isn't. One thing I have noticed is, well, I've seen on others, that this front panel, you can twist it and take it off. This doesn't appear to do that. I can't see any way to get into it to clean the blades, and you know they're going to get dirty. I'm imagining it's been glued in, but for the time being we'll cross that bridge when we come to it. Now then, batteries. I said I was going to bring this up again, and the reason is, let me just fold that down properly. Oh, one more thing before I go any further. This has a locking mechanism here. If we screw this part here, that will go down into the base to stop this bending and folding over again. It won't fold over with that there. Stops it until you screw it back up again. Like that, and then it can fold. Yes, there was one more thing I wanted to mention which I think is really good and a good idea. The batteries. It's got removable batteries in here, and it takes two 18650s. If I take that screw out, it's just a normal battery compartment. Now I'm guessing, and I'm pretty sure I'll probably be right, that they advertise 3,500 milliamp hour batteries. They're not going to be that. I'll be surprised if they're 1,500. But I've got a selection of 18650 batteries, which I know are 2,500 milliamps, 3,500 milliamps. If I put a couple of those in, this is going to last a long time. So that it's a good option, that is. I haven't tried it, but I believe the run time, well, it's advertised at 10 hours on the lowest setting. Yeah, maybe. Well, you know. But as soon as you start putting the power up, obviously going to use more battery. But with them stronger batteries in, it should be ideal. It'll go all night easy. Don't sleep long anyway, but you know. But I'm really looking forward to getting this in use when the warmer weather comes eventually. Because I know how uncomfortable it is at night times. And like I say, you get out the shower and you think, oh God, it's hot. So that's going to be put to use. So yeah, that's the folding fan model ZK2028. I think I paid, I can't remember off the top of my head, but I think I remember I paid about £13 for this. It wasn't much, it was a good deal. There are, like I say, similar ones, do pretty much the same job, and you can pay, well, anything up to £30 I suppose for those, but shop around. I'll leave a link in the description anyway, so point you in the right direction. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, and until next time, thanks for watching.